Hi everyone, Emma here for the kitchen, and today we are going to make homemade mayonnaise. Alright, we're going to do a 1 egg mayonnaise, which should make between a half cup or 3/4 cup of mayonnaise ultimately. So we have a half cup of our oil. I'm just using a canola oil because it has a neutral flavor, but you can certainly use olive oil or any other kind of oil you so desire. This is a 1/4 cup of salt and a little less than a 1/4 cup of dry mustard. You can vary that as you like. And here we have a 1/4 cup, I meant a 1/4 teaspoon. And here we have a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, and then our egg yolk. We're going to put the egg yolk and the lemon juice and the salt and dry mustard all together, and just give that a little whisk to combine it. Now, as we start to add the oil, the key is just to add it very, very slowly at first. So I'm just going to pour in maybe a teaspoon and then whisk, and then I'll pour in another teaspoon and whisk. And I should show you this too. I have my bowl kind of propped on a little stand made of a rolled up cloth napkin there. And as 1 teaspoon of oil is integrated, you can add a little bit more. Don't be too worried about pausing in the middle. You just, it's okay if you stop momentarily and then keep going. You just don't want to stop and walk away. And you'll see the egg yolk start to lighten up. Like right now, it looks about the color of a really lovely lemon curd. And it'll start lighting up even more the more oil you put in. Alright, so we're just about ready to add our last little drizzle of oil here. As you can see, it's come together quite nicely. And as it comes together a little more, you can start adding more and more oil in larger increments, I guess you would say. And I'm not going to use the whole half cup on this batch of mayonnaise. I'm going to end up leaving about 1/8 of a cup left in the cup here. And that's just, you just play it by ear with whatever yolks you happen to get. Some yolks will take a little bit more, some a little bit less. You can just do what you like and get a feel for the mayonnaise. Also, this is pretty thick mayonnaise. If you would like a thinner mayonnaise, you can just whisk in a little bit of lemon juice or a little bit of water and get it thinned out. So there you go. I think that pretty much will do it. We're ready for some tuna.